Alright guys, Jesse here with 6B Media, and today we're going to go from this old ugly yellow bulb to this pretty new clear one, and we're going to also change and put in some new adjusters as well, and we're going to get right into it, so let's get it. Alright, to start this off, you're going to go ahead and you're going to pull out all 4 of these screws. And I had to remove my turn signal down here. It's 2 screws right here, and it pulls out, hooks in here. Once I get that out, that leaves me with the bulb in the basket right here. It simply slides out. You reach back here, unplug your little connector, and you start pulling these right here off of these little inserts. You have one here, and then you have one on the side. Once you remove those, you can remove your clips so you have a nice clear hole. Then you remove your screws from your new clips. You come in from the back side and you push them in. Alright guys, so real quick interruption. These adjusters that I'm showing you right now aren't the ones that I'm going to end up using. The ones that I'm going to end up using are right here. Should pop up so y'all see. I'm ordering them off Amazon. They should be here within a couple days. Amazon's got that 2-day shipping thing. So, yeah, I don't recommend these or the Dormans or any of them because they're all the same. Just so you know, I actually compared them to the Dorman. They're the same thing, so I don't recommend these over the Dorman. I'm going to show y'all what I'm using on Amazon, and yeah, appreciate it. Let's move on. These are the Napa GM replacement ones, Napa Solutions. There's your part number there, 6651042. And the modification I had to do these is I had to cut this off right about there. And that is what it looks like after it's been modified. So that will leave enough room for it to clip into place. So we're going to come in here, reach behind with one hand. And once it's into place, you just push it into place. And she is locked into place. Alright guys, I've relocated so y'all can see better now, but I have WD-40 inside. My adjusters are installed along with the screws. Now all that's left is to reinstall the bucket, which I have already cleaned up on the back so it'll adjust smoothly. Our adjuster screw placement is going to go to the top where our screw is. So we're going to go ahead and finagle this in here. And once it's in there, now we will get our side adjuster into place. Get it snapped into place. Now our top one, once I can finagle it into place. Got it installed. Now our spring will attach into this hole on the bottom here. This spring is located right below. It turns up just like this and snaps into that little hole right there. Alright guys, so the bucket is now installed. Both screws are in place. The spring is where it's supposed to be. It comes out right there. It is easiest to remove this to get that spring, but it goes in that location right there. This is your screw hole for your bezel, so do not install it in that hole. It looks like it goes there, it doesn't, just to save y'all some time. So now we just grab our bulb and stick it into place, reach back there, and plug it in like so. Then we just slide it into place. But you grab your bezel, you get it on the lip of the light bulb, get it into place. Then you can put in all 4 of your screws, and just like that, it's installed. Alright guys, so now that your headlight's installed, now they're not aimed right. So what you do with that, you can actually take it and you can put it up against the side of a house and kind of aim them that way. Or you can do like a lot of people do anyway, is they'll take it to their local mechanic, and you can actually have your local mechanic aim them. A lot of shops will have a headlight aiming machine, and they can get them right where the factory has them. So if you don't trust yourself aiming them correctly, just take it to your local mechanic, and that'll be it for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to keep doing some more videos on these old cars, kind of teach a lot of people that are just getting into them how to work on some of these older vehicles. And if you're interested, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and y'all stay tuned. Till the next one, y'all take it easy. I'll see y'all later.